Welcome to a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. From jaw-dropping home makeovers to unbelievable personal transformations, get ready to witness changes so shocking you won't believe your eyes. In today's video, we're diving into the most incredible before and after transformations that will leave you absolutely stunned. Let's get started. The human form, a marvel of nature, capable of extraordinary feats and change. Consider the story of a man burdened by excessive weight, tethered to the constraints of his own body. At his heaviest, he weighed over 700 pounds. But within him resided an unyielding spirit. Through sheer determination and a complete lifestyle overhaul, he embarked on a 2-year weight loss journey. Month after month, the pounds shed, revealing a healthier individual. The transformation was astonishing. From 700 pounds to 300, he sculpted his body into a testament to human resilience. A true masterpiece of adaptability. We humans have an innate desire to shape our surroundings, transforming houses into homes. It's a process that goes beyond mere construction. It's about creating spaces that reflect our personalities, our dreams, and our lives. Every brushstroke of paint, every piece of furniture, and every decorative item tells a story, turning a simple structure into a sanctuary. Take a dilapidated dwelling in Detroit purchased for a mere $1,000. At first glance, it seemed like nothing more than a crumbling relic of the past, a symbol of urban decay and neglect. But to a visionary, it was a blank canvas, brimming with untapped potential and waiting for a new lease on life. A visionary saw potential and embarked on a renovation journey with a budget of $250,000. Walls were torn down, floors refinished, and light flooded in. The transformation was breathtaking. Skilled craftsmen and designers worked tirelessly, breathing new life into every corner. The once dark and dreary rooms were now filled with light and warmth, each space meticulously crafted to blend modern aesthetics with functional living. What was once urban decay was reborn as a stylish, modern dwelling. The new design featured open spaces, sleek lines, and contemporary finishes, making it a beacon of hope and renewal in the neighborhood. It stood as a testament to what could be achieved with vision, effort, and a bit of creativity. Upon completion, the house sold for over $350,000. This remarkable turnaround not only provided a significant return on investment, but also brought new life to the community. The new owners, a happy family, found their dream home, a place where they could build new memories and a brighter future. A powerful illustration of the transformative power of home renovations. It's a journey that requires vision, dedication, and a willingness to see beyond the present state to what could be. Each renovation story is unique, but they all share a common thread: the ability to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Not just for buildings, but for entire communities. When one house is transformed, it can spark a chain reaction, inspiring others to invest in their properties and their neighborhoods. This collective effort can lead to the revitalization of entire areas, fostering a sense of pride and community spirit. Home renovations, therefore, are not just about improving individual homes. They are about building better, stronger, and more vibrant communities. Our planet, a tapestry of diverse ecosystems, is constantly evolving. Consider the Loess Plateau in China, once ravaged by overgrazing and deforestation. The Yellow River, choked with silt, earned the moniker China's Sorrow. In the late 20th century, a monumental restoration project began. Terraces were carved, trees planted, and sustainable farming practices introduced. Slowly, the land responded. What was once barren transformed into a tapestry of green. The Loess Plateau was reborn as a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and nature's resilience. The human experience is a tapestry woven from countless threads, each representing a unique story, a distinct journey, and a shared humanity. These threads intertwine to create a rich and complex fabric that reflects our collective existence. Imagine a man living on the fringes of society, defined by hardship and homelessness. His days are filled with uncertainty, and his nights are spent in the cold embrace of the streets. He is often overlooked, a shadow in the bustling city. But then, a group of compassionate individuals steps in, offering him a chance to reclaim his dignity. They see beyond his current circumstances and recognize the potential within him. Their kindness ignites a spark of hope. The makeover begins with grooming, a haircut, a shave, and new clothes. These simple acts of care are more than just physical transformations, they are symbols of a fresh start, a new beginning. Dental work restores his smile and his eyes sparkle with newfound hope. The man who once hid his face now beams with confidence, his spirit lifted by the generosity of others. The man who once walked with his head bowed now stands tall. His posture reflects a renewed sense of self-worth and pride. He is no longer burdened by the weight of his past. Job offers pour in, and doors that were once shut now open. Opportunities that seemed out of reach are now within his grasp. He is given the chance to rebuild his life, to contribute to society. He is no longer invisible, no longer defined by his circumstances. He walks confidently through the city, greeting people with a smile. His transformation is a beacon of hope for others, a testament to the transformative power of compassion. The support and kindness of others have given him a new lease on life. He is surrounded by friends, embraced by a community that believes in him. Everyone deserves a chance to shine. This story is a reminder that with a little help and a lot of heart, we can all rise above our challenges and find our place in the tapestry of humanity. Cities are in a constant state of flux, evolving and adapting. Consider the remarkable metamorphosis of Dubai. Once a humble fishing village, it now stands as a gleaming metropolis. This transformation was the result of visionary leadership and strategic investments. Skyscrapers dominate the skyline and man-made islands rise from the waters. Dubai's transformation extends beyond its physicality. It has become a melting pot of cultures, a global hub for business and tourism, a city that embodies the spirit of globalization, a testament to human ambition and the power of dreaming big. The march of technology is relentless, reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace. Consider the evolution of the mobile phone. Once bulky and cumbersome, they are now sleek, pocket-sized computers. The digital revolution brought a paradigm shift in communication. Today's smartphones pack more processing power than the computers that sent humans to the moon. They are our constant companions, gateways to information and connection. The pace of innovation shows no signs of slowing down, a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of innovation. The digital revolution is a technological odyssey. Art transcends time, connecting us to the creative spirits of the past. Each brushstroke, each chisel mark tells a story that has endured through the ages. These masterpieces are not just relics of history, they are living, breathing testaments to human creativity and expression. Even the most enduring masterpieces are subject to the ravages of time. The elements, pollution, and even the touch of admirers can take their toll. Cracks form, colors fade, and the once vibrant images can become almost unrecognizable. One such tale lies within the Sistine Chapel, home to Michelangelo's frescoes. These iconic works of art have captivated millions, drawing visitors from around the world to marvel at their beauty and complexity. Over centuries, these works became shrouded in soot and grime. The layers of dirt and smoke from candles and incense obscured the vibrant colors and intricate details that Michelangelo painstakingly created. In 1980, a team of art restorers embarked on a restoration project. Armed with modern technology and a deep respect for the original work, they set out to uncover the hidden beauty beneath the grime. They carefully removed centuries of grime, revealing Michelangelo's true brilliance. The process was meticulous, requiring patience and precision to ensure that the original artwork was preserved while the dirt was removed. Colors burst forth with renewed vibrancy, and intricate details were unveiled. The restoration brought to light the true genius of Michelangelo, allowing us to see the frescoes as they were meant to be seen. The restoration serves as a testament to the enduring power of art. It shows that with care and dedication, we can preserve these treasures for future generations to appreciate and learn from. Masterpieces can be given a new lease on life for generations to come. Through restoration, we not only honor the original artists but also ensure that their legacy continues to inspire and captivate audiences around the world. Nature possesses an astonishing capacity for renewal. Disasters create opportunities for rebirth and the return of life. Consider the Chernobyl exclusion zone, a reminder of nuclear disaster. In 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant suffered a catastrophic meltdown. The immediate aftermath was devastating, leaving behind a contaminated wasteland. Yet nature found a way to persevere. Wildlife reclaimed the exclusion zone and plants took root. Chernobyl has become an unexpected sanctuary for wildlife, a testament to the resilience of life and the transformative power of nature. Fashion reflects society's values, aspirations, and anxieties. One profound transformation is the shift from formal attire to casual wear. In the early 20th century, formality reigned supreme. Men wore suits and ties while women navigated in corseted dresses. As the century progressed, societal norms shifted. Youth culture, women in the workforce, and comfort fueled this trend. The workplace embraced more casual attire, reflecting broader societal trends, a rejection of rigid dress codes in favor of self-expression. Fashion is a constantly evolving reflection of our times. The human mind possesses an extraordinary capacity for change. Positive thinking and mindfulness can reshape our mental landscapes. Science shows that a positive mindset has tangible benefits. Practicing gratitude and optimism can reduce stress and improve health. Mindfulness promotes self-awareness and emotional regulation. Positive changes can alter the physical structure of our brains. Neuroplasticity allows us to strengthen neural pathways associated with happiness. By harnessing the power of our minds, we can create a more fulfilling life, a testament to the adaptability of the human spirit. Outro. What will you transform? Wow, what a ride. If these transformations blew your mind, imagine what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Don't miss out on more unbelievable facts. Subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop with It's Fact TV. Share this video with someone who loves a good transformation story, and let us know in the comments which one shocked you the most. See you next time.